Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and today I'm going to show you how to create some Mars bases. These would make great bases for Martians. These are the paints I'll be using. You can find a list of materials in the description below. The first thing I did is I cut up some extra weapon bits I had laying around so that I can have them peeking out of the sands of Mars. I glued these down to the base using some plastic glue. To create some texture, I applied a little bit of Gorilla Glue, and then allowed it to foam up while it dries. Once that was dry, I put down a layer of wood glue, and then I applied some large pebbles, and then finished with some fine grained sand. Once that was dry, I primed the models black. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. Next, I applied a base coat of vallejo gory red using my airbrush, but you could also do this with a few thin coats applied with a brush. After that, I did a heavy dry brushing of some Games Workshop Evil Sunz Scarlet. If you like our stuff, stay tuned for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. After that, I picked out all of the large pebbles with some black paint. After that, I dry brushed the rocks with some vallejo stone wall gray. If you guys are enjoying the video and you have ideas for videos you'd like to see us do in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Next, I dry brushed all of the weapon bits with some Games Workshop Leadbelcher. If you followed along with this video, please post your work to Instagram and tag EonsOfBattle so that we can share it. After that, I finished off the bases by painting the skirt with some black paint. And there are 3 finished Mars bases. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.